Welcome back, Mountain Chic family. I'm so glad to see you today. And for those of you that are new, thanks for joining. Today's DIY is going to be so much fun. I originally got the idea from the Daily DIYer, but I've seen several versions of it. And of course, I have to put my own Mountain Chic version to it. But what you're gonna need today is leftover coffee. I don't know if you can see, but the steam is still coming out, so you do want it hot. And we're going to use Dollar Tree t-shirt. All right, and it's gonna be really cute, so stay tuned and let's get to crafting.
Put your t-shirt in a big pot and just pour that hot coffee right in there. Let it sit in there for a couple hours, then I rinsed it out, wrung it out, and popped it in the dryer, and then it was ready to craft. I just freehanded my little chubby bunnies, but you can certainly get something like a template online if you would rather do that. I wanted you to see that you can even use a button-down shirt, and it doesn't have to be stretchy material because it worked just fine. It turned out really cute, actually. You do not have to do this step. I decided to do it on my little black bunny so that his ears would stick straight up. But you'll see that I didn't do it on my real rustic t-shirt, coffee-stained chubby bunny. Now we're going to hot glue. We're going to close him up just a little bit. I like to go about down to his face and then fill in the little bunny ears, and then I carry on. And when I hot glue, I kind of inset it just a little bit. And don't worry if it's not perfect. This is Mountain Chic, you know. You can use cotton balls. As you can see, I noticed I didn't have enough cotton balls. So I'm just using up some stuffing that I had left over from a pillow I had done earlier. And also another good idea is just buy a real cheap pillow and tear it apart and use that stuffing. When you're going around a corner or a tip or a curve of the bunny, just fold the lace just a little bit, as you can see in this video, and then it makes a nice little curve there. How mountain sweet is this? I just love this. Using a black shirt was kind of neat because it almost kind of looks like chalkboard. because I know that's really in with the farmhouse and all of that. So super cute. So don't think you just have to use white or tan, beige, or coffee stain t-shirt. You can use whatever color you want. I'm even thinking about doing a denim one. I think that'd be really cute. I thought I would throw this in too. This was a men's extra large sweater that I got at Goodwill, and yes, I did wash it, even though it looked like it was in good shape. But I decided I'm just going to make a regular old pillow with this one. Super soft material too. It turned out great. I love it. As you can see, I'm just gluing a hem in there, and then I'm going to turn it back the right side, and I'm going to hot glue it down and then stuff it, and voila, super easy. I am addicted to these little bunnies and just making these simple pillows. How easy and how sweet is this? I hope you try it. If you do and you follow me on Facebook or Instagram, please tag me. I'd love to see how yours turn out, because this is just so much fun. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and leave me some comments. I love hearing from you. Until next time, see you later.